In this video, I'm gonna unbox some vintage lenses. I absolutely love vintage lenses. All right, I'll start with these ones. It says Vivitar on the top. This is a nice little case. 75 to 205, 2 times matched multiplier. So this is not a lens itself, this is just a multiplier. This one's next. Ooh, it's kind of yellowish. Some of these older lenses, especially ones made in Japan, have radioactive properties to them. So this looks like it's a M42 mount. I already have an adapter for that. All it says is focal. It's a 4.5, 200 millimeters. It's got a 62 red on the front for your filters. This is a RMC Tokina 55 thread, 5.6, 100 to 300. Kind of a neat way to do your telephoto though. Slides, and then it's got the markings on the side here. Pretty cool. Okay, the first one, Auto Vivitar Wide-angle 28mm 2.5. This is a Quantaray Multi-coated 2.8 135. That's pretty fast. This one's cute. This one I'm really interested in. So this is a graphic Raptar with an AR 161mm. It says Wollensak 638 4.5. Ooh, look at that old aperture ring. That is fascinating. This is a E.Ludwig V Peronar, Peronar, 50mm 2.9. It says 2.5 on the side here though. Carenar, it says on the lens cap. Carenar EEM 2.8 135. That's a pretty fast 135, 2.8. This is unlabeled on the top. On the side here it says Tokina At-x 50 to 250. F4 to 5.6. Another one of these pull-out telephotos. That's 250, 150, 100, 70, 50. This is just another teleconverter, 2X for Minolta. And then there was this in there too. 75, 200, MC Quantaray. This is a macro lens at 4.5. Oh, wow. It says it's a Vivitar 85 to 205 3.8 auto zoom, 58mm on the thread up here. This has an internal barrel. That is a really unique looking lens. This is a heavy guy. It is a focal MC auto zoom 3.5 80 to 200 with a 67 thread. All right, well, that's all of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Tell me down in the comments if you know any of these lenses, or if you'd be interested to learn more about any of these lenses. I'm gonna be doing individual reviews on these guys, figuring out what kind of mounts they need, and testing them on my FX3. Like I said, I love vintage lenses. Right now I've got a Mamiya Seikor 55 on here, and this lens does have radioactive qualities. And then I've also got it on a extra mount so that it works as a macro right now. I look forward to testing all of these out on my FX3 and showing you guys the results. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button if you'd like to see more from me. And until next time, keep it cool. I don't know. It's so hot in here. Can't think straight. All right, bye.